Good day. Thanks for speaking tax. My name is Narida Cuervo, a business administration studying at the University UNAD. I live in Bogota. I chose the company Johnson & Johnson because it is currently one of the companies that produces the largest amount of plastic, which affects the environment. However, this company is not responsible and continues to produce more plastics. The company contributes mainly to pollution by being a massive producer of plastics affecting ecosystems and marine life. In the formal letter that was sent highlights the importance of caring for the environment and the main damage caused by the productions of their products. The solution is drastic reductions of single-use plastics until their progressive elimination is achieved. It could be by creating ecological packaging and increasing recycling efforts. If these were to achieve the change in the environment, it would be states and marine life would a lot benefit. In general, everything will return to an ecologically harmonious state. Thanks.